Good afternoon, everybody. So another little update here, the work in progress for the battery system here. As I showed earlier, I do have 8 battery racks installed here. I had an earlier video showing the wiring harnesses, and this is the completed look of how the system is going to be per rack. So we have a crimp lug on some welding cable number 6 there. Comes over fuse protection. Again, I mentioned I'm going to fuse the negative and the positive. Positive, again, crimp. Go to our DC contactor here. I have not terminated these wires or pulled these wires yet. Got a positive bus bar here. Again, we're no voltage there because the fuses are open. And we have a negative bus bar here as well. So it'll be a very similar pattern with the wiring from each battery, I'll say rack, down to the 2 bus bars. And I'm going to have some 1/0 welding cable connections on the positive and the negative to supply DC voltage to the Sunny Islands inside the electric room. And we, this is again a little work in progress here. I have some wire way up here. We do have these ICP modules here that are going to be used for measuring voltage. I have 2 of them stacked, so I'll be measuring 1 battery rack per position here. I also have the 80 AM backplane data acquisition equipment here mounted. No input cards put in them yet, but those we're going to be measuring the temperature through the thermocouple wire, and also having status for the DC contactors, and also control for the resistors when I balance each pack as needed, and also control for opening and closing the DC contactors. So again, very pleased with how this is coming along, and thanks for watching.